How to invite friends in Discord server PC. Hi guys, today we're going to talk about this platform called Discord. And the first thing we're going to do is you're going to open your server. Right now I am currently on a test server, so what you're going to look for is go to the general text channel and then click on this create invite icon over here. And then over here, this is where we will be able to invite our friends, or you can send them a server invite link over here. As you can see under here that our invite link expires in 7 days. Now we can change this by clicking on edit invite link, and then we can change the expiration to different durations over here. We can change it to never, so that the Discord link will never expire. We could also add a limit on how many uses the Discord link would have, and we could also grant temporary membership. And we're simply going to click on generate a new link, and just like that we can now simply copy this link and then send it to our friends. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.